Hello from Japan! Welcome to MUSUBI Kitchen. I'm Shino. Today, I'll be sharing a meal that's perfect for staying energized during the hot summer months. Our main dish today is energy-boosting karaage flavored with honey and garlic. To complement it, we'll prepare chilled tomatoes with wasabi dressing, a light and refreshing side dish that's perfect for summer. Karaage may be the most popular food in Japan. I remember when I was a child, I had to bring lunch to school, and when I had karaage in my bento box, it just made my day. Here are the main ingredients for karaage: chicken thighs, all-purpose flour, potato starch, and frying oil. And to marinate chicken, we'll use soy sauce, sake, honey, grated garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. First, let's prepare the chicken by cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Combine all the marinated ingredients in a bowl. Add the chicken and rub them well. The honey helps retain moisture, so the meat turns out really tender and juicy. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to allow the flavors to fully soak in. Next, we'll coat the chicken and get it ready for frying. Combine the flour and potato starch in a bowl. The addition of potato starch gives the karaage its signature light and crispy texture. Coat the chicken generously with the flour mixture. Now it's time for frying chicken. Today, we're using the double fry method. This technique is a little more work, but keeps the meat juicy while cooking the meat perfectly all the way through. First, fry them at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 4 minutes. Remove the chicken pieces from the oil. Let them rest on a tray for 3 minutes. This allows the residual heat to finish cooking the chicken while keeping it juicy. Now put them back in the oil of 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 1 minute. The second frying creates a crispy golden brown exterior. That's a great sound! They're fried to a perfect golden brown. Today, I've chosen this modern icy blue dinner plate. The beautiful blue gradation elevates the main dish, transforming it into a truly sophisticated dish. Plate the karaage and garnish with finely julienned scallions with deep-fried shishito peppers if desired. And that's it! It's ready to serve! Next, we'll make the chilled tomato salad. The ingredients are a tomato, broccoli sprouts, and the seasonings for the wasabi dressing. I am going to prepare the dressing first. In a small bowl, put wasabi paste, sugar, salt, vinegar, and soy sauce. Then whisk until well combined. Also add the olive oil and whisk well until it is emulsified. Cut the well-chilled tomato into bite-sized pieces. Today, I'm serving it in a small bowl for a cool and refreshing look. I'll be using this Taisho Roman Tokusa Bowl. The milky white pattern emerging from the glass is really elegant. It's the perfect size for side dishes, and it's sure to become an essential piece for your summer table. Place the tomatoes into the small bowl. Drizzle the wasabi dressing over the tomatoes and garnish with broccoli sprouts. The dish is now ready. Alright, it's time to try what we have made. The karaage is crispy on the outside and incredibly juicy on the inside. The garlic and honey do help build flavors and giving it a great kick. Following the savory karaage, the refreshing tomato salad dish is just perfect. The subtle kick of wasabi is so addictive that I want more and more. The meal today represents the perfect meat and vegetable combination that can rejuvenate in the hot summer weather. I hope you give it a try at home. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.